for the season that I only get to see you certain nights. Cause baby, you're a blue star in my eyes. They love to hate you, but to me I think you're perfectly alright. And lately I've had this feeling, okay, but I don't ever wanna jinx it. Cause I don't really wanna say